You know what? I'm sorry. We got a whole system we gotta repair. This is going out to the primo. This is one of my primos. We're gonna fix your shit. But look at this, man. Look at those straps, though. Good. You got that kicker, you know, that downtown LA deal. So we're gonna take it apart, fix it up. Omar's gonna take care of them. And let's get it going, baby. Come on, tear down time. All right, they got the seats out. He has already an amplifier in here. What was that, a bass amp? Okay. With Kenwood, we're gonna be putting that kicker right there. So let's do it again. Oh shit. I was just there for looks. It was a smart thing. They thinking good over here. But we do it the way we like to do it. We're gonna be putting down the wall, carpeting it, and wiring everything up. So we're gonna run new cables too, because it's not OFC cable. I believe it is. JC Power, which is I believe it's a CC cable as well. Chingon Homer. All right, we'll watch over, tear it down some more, and start running cables. Boom, look at Omar got the wood already made. You already measured it. It's gonna put carpet now. The wood needs carpet. Alrighty, we'll watch as he mounts the board on the wall. And then he starts wiring up the amps. That's my favorite part probably, wiring up the amps. I like it. That's cool. See that? All right, look at that. Now it's on a board. See that? It's nice and clean. All the wires are OFC now. This is an old school jail audio amplifier. This is probably from like, honestly, before my time, bro. It's probably from like 2003. He got a brand new kicker though, 1200.1. Doesn't have to push his two woofers. We got the kicker CVRs. They're about 500 watts RMS each, so it should be good. You did a pretty good job on this one, huh? Just for the primo. Gotta make sure they're happy, you know? I don't want people talking shit at the family reunion, you know what I mean? Okay, let's wrap it up. Okay, also, we're gonna be adding an epicenter. We need to add an epicenter because, you know, they're gonna be listening to the banda. They need it. So we'll let them watch.
And shopping bags filled to the brim in the back seat. I'm going fast, spinning my wheels, keeping it real, feeling the feelings I feel. Spinning my wheels, keeping it real, feeling the feelings I feel. Everybody follow me, everybody follow me, everybody.
Okay, now we're gonna test it, hear how it sounds, see if it's a banger or no. I don't know. Let's find out though. Done, Omar? Yeah. This is gonna listen to real quick. Let me just grab it out. Get the demo going. Try your steering wheel control, bro.
None of these niggas, these triggers, these killers, common sense. Chicago is mine. Nigga hit the books, intense. Green pen, nigga.
Alright, man, that's it. It's a wrap. It's done. It's over. The Primo's happy? Yeah? Alright, cool. Sheesh! What's up, guys? That is the end of the show. I appreciate you watching. That was my Primo's truck. He wanted to get a system done, rewired, because he said he got it done by some people he doesn't know in Mexico one day somewhere, somehow. And it was messed up. So we redid it. It's ready to go. Simple install. We changed out the amps. He had some JL that he got handed down from his sisters or cousins. Another cousin of mine. He got a kicker amp for the highs. He had some kicker subwoofers. Downtown LA shit, you know how it is, you know where kicker comes from. In this area. And other areas, I'm sure kicker's great, but in our area, it's okay. That was a simple video. I'm glad you guys were here to watch it with me. I've been out for a long time. This is the next video. Look at it. Bam, that Tundra though. You see it? You see the Tundra? That thing's gonna be here on the video for the next show. Probably the next two shows. I'm gonna do the Honda next, then we'll do that one, and then we're good. Comment, like, and subscribe. You guys are always doing a great job at that. I appreciate your comments, your feedback. It's always appreciated. Peace.